welcome back to our video. So this is episode 2 of building a mock on my new space on my shelves. In the first episode I did this questionable down entrance. It's very questionable. Like, let me show it to you. You probably, if you saw that video, you can say this is very questionable. I use some minifigures for thumbnail. Yeah, it's been like almost an hour since I finished that one. I drew the designs, the base plate separately. This one is going to have a camp and some details. This one is going to have some hills and probably a pathway, a dirt path. This one is to be down. This one is done, but it's still questionable. That Karen is questionable at house. But I'm going to keep it here for now. Probably gonna modify it, but for now it's here. Now for the second base plate, however, now I feel like there's that guy on TikTok that's building a Lego city in 30 days so he can flood it, and I'm feeling like him because he has the base plates like this and he just throws them. Anyways, so I'm still not sure what clones I'm going to add or minifigures. I only have like 5 of them, but that's probably gonna be enough. Hopefully, we'll see. Okay, now what I need to do is build these entire hills, and I have filler plate right here, and then I'm going to need just to build a small thing, a small camp probably right around here. What I like a camp thing. I will get that in the next episode. Will be like the camp and details, and then it's going to be a full episode, a 4th episode presenting everything. Yeah. Now this is, as I said, the ATT. The ATT is the shock trooper version. So we're going to include shock troopers for now. Those are the shock troopers I'm going to include till September, or when I'm going to get a gunship. I'm gonna try to find a good deal for that one because probably it's gonna be expensive, but share. Now I'm going to build here. Well, now I want to apologize in the last video that there is no sound in the time lapse, but trust me, I was lazy, very lazy to do that, to finish it. So you can get the no sound version of what was, you can get no sound over there, but I hope it's okay with you guys. If it's not okay, then I'm going to come after you. I'm just kidding. I'm not a murderer. Please don't cancel me for a joke. Now I have an FPS drop on my camera. Yeah, my camera has FPS drop, so I apologize for that. I don't really have a lot of those things remaining, but I'll do my best. Yeah, my camera got heavy delay. My phone, because in the meantime it's uploading the YouTube video. So yeah, I'll just work on this terrain. I'm so sorry that this video is 45 minutes long, but it was the way to do it. Now this base plate is pretty much what we're going to have over here. Now I just need to expand it. So have to be very careful what I do here. Any mistake can cost me parts. I'm trying to save parts into the smoke project, so you all have to be extremely careful. No, you will not be able to see this part, so I'm gonna leave it exposed because this is the way you're going to see it through. So I don't really, you're not gonna worry about this thing, but I am going to worry about the fact that a lot of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed. Just kidding. You don't need to subscribe. I do it for you guys, but mostly for fun in the same time. So you don't need to actually subscribe. You can subscribe if you like my very late content and very rare work and videos uploaded. But if you don't want to, you don't need to subscribe. It's fine. It's not like somebody actually likes the content that I do. It's fine. It's totally fine. I'm fine. I'm not depressed or anything. No, I'm not actually. I'm not really depressed. Yeah. Now this section up here is going to be the most difficult one of all. Because I'm basically going to need to add thousands of parts. I hope this video won't be too long like the other one, because the other one was really long. I have a few longer videos, but they're like like something very important. They're random things with editing my friends, so this one is probably going to be one of my first longer videos. Actually, it's going to be my first video in a while, so no hate, please. I know the world we live in, hate is everywhere, so please, at least here, don't hate if we're not staying on schedule or doing videos monthly or daily. This series is going to be daily though, so you're going to hear my voice 4 days in a row, because we're also gonna have the finale. I have something to drink, and I apologize for my camera in low FPS. I'm not going to do time lapse here, because then it will be too short. And I want to balance. Now, this terrain isn't really going to be something very special. I told you in the last video, I'm not good with terrain. It's like my weakness when it comes to modeling terrain. My weakness. So Okay, I actually like this terrain. It's actually pretty good looking, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's actually pretty good looking. So I'm going to continue with this section right here, and we should be good to go. Yes, I'm trying to realize what I'm actually doing. I'm still not 100% sure. To be honest with you, that city is not the best one, and there might be a video rebuilding it. It doesn't really show my true potential and mock building. Okay, I'm also very limited on parts at the moment, so for now it will do. But that house is uglier than, I don't even know. It's ugly. I don't want to say your mama joke because I don't really want to hurt somebody. So yeah, the thought is beautiful than your mama. Just kidding, guys. I have nothing with your mom. In the next video, we're going to finish this entire mock, which means that we're going to finish the last base plate and also add details, minifigures details. You know what I'm talking about. Whatever you do when you finish building the mock, and now you need to add the minifigures. And, probably not gonna fix that city a little bit, but I'm probably gonna do it off camera. Now, while you're watching this video, I'm probably filming the last one. So this technically comes tomorrow for me and today for you. So if you have any ideas on what I can add in here, technically this mock is going to stay here at least all summer, probably even longer, and I'm probably going to change it. If it's end up staying longer, I'm going to change it into a more permanent mock, but until then I'm going to really need your suggestion, guys, for more things that I could add in here, because it's just very, I don't really like how it's looking right now, and I'm probably going to need something a little bit better if it's going to stay permanent. So you guys can decide down in the comment section if you want to what should I add. It doesn't really take that much time to decide. I'm probably going to take the first comment. There's probably going to be only one comment, and there's probably going to be no comments. So now I'm building a small road, and I'm making it fade away like it hasn't been used in a while. Okay, so I think it's turned out pretty good. I'm going to need vegetation though. Grass. That's what I'm going to need in here. and I'm out of these parts, which is very sad. I'm going to have probably get more. When I say more, I mean more of these parts. But I think I did the job with this terrain. It's not really that elevated, but it's looking pretty good. Now it's rest time, and I'm also gonna add some little trees, like one feet, but the Lego ones, not some official trees. We're gonna add like one here, another one there, just like this. I'm gonna add grass. Well, there is not really a reason to add battle damage or any other thing, because you know the walker already did all the damage. I mean, it didn't really did damage, and it's just basically a field, so I'll just add grass to it, you know, so it can say it looks cool. Now this is a mock on my level, but it's still not what I'm 100% capable of. This isn't among that I'm not proud of this one really, and it doesn't show my true potential in mock building, but this one will do for now, since I don't know what to build and I need videos, so yeah, I'm probably gonna film the next one right after this one, and so I'm going to be clear tomorrow, free. Anyway, actually I think this is it. Actually I think I can make both of them in one video, or did I just keep what I said and okay, this one looks a little bit better. I'm going to try, but I will add a little bit more of this plant over here. I don't know what this is supposed to be. I like it, so I'll add it. Now the wind is moving like this, so they are in the same direction as you can see. But this base plate is technically completed. Let me just slide it here and see how it turns. How it turned out. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. It's a very big transition from okay, my camera is very trash right now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it here over in this corner. I'll take care of the extra details, but I think for now it's doing the job. Sorry for this pixelated camera, I don't know what's happening with it, but next video we're going to have this entire section, figuring out what minifigures we're going to use. Here we got the Venator just chilling down here. It was originally up here, but that I explained it in the other video. So this is for now. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. We're close on hitting that we're closer on hitting the 500 subscriber goal. I found another crate. I'll just add it up. I'll just add it outside. If you have any ideas, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, I can only say you goodbye.